In this vid, we're just going to cover off the recent improvements in relation to military symbols within Iris, in particular control measures and air corridors. So I'm just creating an air corridor here to give you an example. So as you can see, we'll create any sort of air corridor, doesn't matter. We follow the standard procedure. We draw our air corridor, so we're going to draw it from here, second click up to here, third click, and then go up to finish, and that's where we'll have our air corridor. You'll notice this width and the default of 2000 in there. So we can change that value how we see fit. So we might change it to 5,000. So we've got now 5,000 meters width in relation to the air corridor. So the symbol changes dynamically with our inputs. So we can feed in all the other information that we require as well into the air corridor, as you can see. So the standard procedure applies with the corridor, and we create the symbol. With any mil symbol, we can go in and we can edit it if we want. So we'll make that, for example, a hostile as opposed to, no, neutral for the sake of the demo, as opposed to the friendly. It can be moved, it can be adjusted, just like any other symbol on in Iris. We can send that to the rest of the world. Others that have permissions can move that symbol if they need to. As you can see, we will send that, move it. So the full flexibility there, no servers, none of that rot. Peer-to-peer, connect to everybody, discover everybody, no need for complex configurations to get up and running. So that's part of that component there. The other aspect is now in settings within the map area. So within maps now, if we go to maps, you'll see there's a default for the friendly. So we'll just change this guy to be a friendly to highlight the change there. So we're going to friendly. So as you can see, we now go save, going into settings, you'll see that control measure for friend is blue, the default is black, but you may have a map where you want to be able to use the blue as opposed to black for the friendlies, because it might stand out better, as you can see here in this particular instance. So that's available as well as part of the upgrades, if you like, in relation to control measures, well, mil symbols as a whole. So like I said, all the mil symbols available, 2525D, and yeah, we continue to improve as we go. Thanks for watching.